Hi everyone, my name is Aanarav Sareen, and in this video we review the Maha Resort. Located just an hour away from Dubai and 90 minutes away from Abu Dhabi, the unique resort is absolutely stunning from the moment you enter its gates. Featuring just 42 villas, the resort is designed to be a relaxing destination and caters to travelers ages 10 and above. The villas are large, feature a plunge pool, and are extremely private. During our stay, not once did we see anyone else in either direction, other than the gazelles that would roam around freely. Most meals are included, including room service, although it's important to note that things such as soda and alcohol are extra, and priced as you would expect them to be at a remote resort. Expensive. The resort also features 2 activities per day, most of which are included at no additional cost. We were fans of falconry, archery, and the sunset camel safari. All in all, the resort exceeded our expectations, and I can't wait to return in the near future. For more photos and videos, visit asareen.com.